Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, we're going to be talking about how to list mature content correctly on Etsy. So this was a requested video by one of my subscribers, and they wanted to know how to add mature content to Etsy without getting in trouble or getting their store shut down. So if you want to learn how to do so correctly, make sure that you watch all the way till the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe today to my channel. So let's go ahead and dive in. So keep in mind, Etsy does aim to maintain a marketplace that's appropriate for all general audiences. But some content may not be suitable for everyone, and this is why it's very important that you follow their policy when adding mature content to your Etsy store. So let's take a look at some of the things that are considered mature content for Etsy. So anything that is visual depiction of human genitalia, sexual activity or content, profane language, graphic violence, sexual wellness items such as dildos, vibrators, etc., explicit types or representations of taxidermy. So these are all the different mature content that Etsy allows you to post on Etsy, and that you will need to learn how to post it appropriately. Now, keep in mind, mature content listings will remain in all Etsy search results by default. However, if you want to remove mature content from your search, all you have to do is at the end of your search, type in the word mature, and it will remove those items. So just keep that in mind for those of you that don't want to see mature items when you're searching on Etsy to shop, etc. Now, mature content must comply with the following policies. So this is the most important part of everything. These are the rules that you have to follow when you're adding any type of mature content on Etsy. So the first one is listing contain mature content must be tagged with mature. So where you put the 13 keywords or 13 tags to be found for SEO, you will need to put in the word mature in there. Number two, mature content may not appear in the public area of your account, including your username, avatar, and homepage. What that means is that when people see your name, your Etsy store name or your username, when people see your avatar, which is basically like your profile of your store, your profile picture, or they go to your homepage, anything in the homepage, whether it's the banner, whether it's your profile picture, whether it's your feature items, whether it's your update me section, about me section, anything there should not have anything that's mature content right off bat. Now, you could, add the mature content, but you have to add it in your second image. So this is what the third rule applies. The first thumbnail image in your item listing should be kept appropriate for general audiences. Additional images in the listing may show the item in its entirety. So basically, the only place that you could have the mature content that people could see the whole thing would be on the second image of your listing. So the first image has to be something that is appropriate for general audiences. So you might have to block or put like a general picture and put something on top of it to block the image. The additional images can show the item completely, basically, and you won't get in trouble. But you have to make sure that you follow all three rules. The first one was tag mature in every single listing that you are adding mature items. The second rule is to make sure that your homepage, your profile, anywhere that the potential customer could see your account, it doesn't have any mature content. And the third one is when you are listing the actual mature content item, making sure that the first image, which is your thumbnail image, doesn't have anything mature content on it. The second, third, fourth, etc., because you have 10 spots, all of those could have the additional photos. Just the main one cannot have it. So I hope that this was clear to you guys. If you have any questions about adding mature content or any confusion, make sure that you leave a comment below and I'll be more than happy to assist you to the best that I can. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe today and to show me some love by liking this video. Thank you guys for watching.